Hi, this clip is for you who love to sew for yourself and for others. It's a presentation of my do-it-yourself bedding kit. And here I'm about to show you the baby version, which is in the Swan Dance print design. And I'm doing this event in Danish. And now I'm translating it for you, and I'm in the process of telling you the size of the baby bedding. It's 70 times 100 centimeter, and you can also sew it up in a junior version that is 100 times 140 centimeters, and there follows an adult version as well, and that is 140 times 200 centimeters. You can also order with extra length, and that would then be 220 centimeters. In each kit you get one pillow cover and one divi cover, and you get the zippers for both, and you also get wash labels and side flags, and you get a beautiful matching bag in a gabardine quality, in a cotton gabardine quality. The bedding is in a super nice satin binding, also cotton. The junior kit has different designs on the front and back. On the elephant drops version, it has a big elephant on one side, and on the other side small elephant droplets. And the junior swan version has all over swans on one side, and only two swans in a bold version on the other side, which you get to see right here. If you like bedding that has coherency but also differentiates itself, that is for the whole family, that you can sew up for your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your little girl, your little boy, being a grandmother, sewing up for her grandchildren, or whatever. With this bedding kit, you can sew up great designs for yourself and for your friends and the whole family. So if you like this, please share with your sewing friends. And thank you so much for watching. See more at imart.dk, my website, and yeah, feel free to follow me at Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. And don't miss my next post, where I will show you how nice you can wrap your sewing up and give it away as a gift. Yeah, please like, and share. Thank you so much. Have a super nice day. Bye.